abagabo.
We're going to learn about men.
Abagabo.
Men.
Papa.
Fathers.
Buriya ibintu byose bitangira mu kintu cyitwa authority, ubutware.
In reality, everything starts with authority.
Ikibazo rero dufite muri kino gihe.
So the problem that we have in this time.
Mu ngo zacu habuze authority.
Our families, there's no authority in them.
Ntibibuza ko abana bashobora no kukunanira.
It's not that the children are hard on you.
Ariko ntabwo bigira uburemere nk'ubwiyo watereye ukarekera.
But it's not as hurtful as the ones where they're just gone.
Bigira imbaraga iyo bivuye kuri papa.
It has power and authority when it comes from the father.
Uzitegereza urebe ahantu hose Bibiliya ivuga ngo mwigisha abantu usanga Imana ibwira aba papa.
Look at the Bible. A lot of times it tells the fathers.
N'imivumo.
Even curses.
Ngo nzahora abana gukiranirwa.
I will punish the children for their fathers' unrighteousness.
Yabase.
Of their fathers.
Base bari he?
Where are their fathers?
Turi he?
Where are we?
Ni najya kibazo kwisi n'aba b'abazungu niho kibazo kiri.